Hi guys, this weird glitch happened, and I'm really afraid of it because I don't know what this gift is. I really have no idea what it is. It won't let me pick a gift. It won't let me erase this gift. So, I don't know what's going on. It won't even let me exit out of it. But it's acting like I'm FMAN, which is kind of freaking me out because it might be erasing something that I really like. Okay, I'm gonna reload because that's creepy, and I just erased a video just to do this. Whoa, what's with that weird glitch right there? But I literally just erased a really good video. Well, not a really good video, but part 2 of that love thing. Oh, come on, please don't do this to me. Just an ad. I hate those things. It's telling me about Animal Jam membership and stuff. I already have freaking membership. It says 80% off 12 membership, 16% off on 6-month membership, free shipping and orders, $25, free 500. Whoa. I'll look at that later. Okay. Oh, come on. Don't do this to me. Don't do this to me. Why you do this to me, AJ? Why? Why you do this to me? I don't know why I'm talking like that, but still, why do you do this to me? Come on. Load. It doesn't even say it's loading. Here we go. Sorry, I'm not showing my whole thing. Yeah, it does that. I'm sorry. That's an ad. Another ad that kind of pops out, making the screen shift. Come on. Come on. I'll pause it until it loads. Okay, so it eventually loaded, and I'm kind of scared though because, this is Dragon Kitty right now. I'm afraid that it's gonna do the same thing. Okay, so for that second, I was basically FMAN, and that is actually kind of scary for me because something has gone wrong, you know? So, since FMAN122 isn't in a person right now, I'm going to look up his backup. Recycled beards. Now his den is always unlocked. I've been to his den before. His den is full. Do you see this? See how his den is full? That's because everyone likes his den so much. See? And people add him. The thing is he hasn't hacked anyone yet. And how he has a pen pal is probably because, a buddy added, probably because he sent FMAN122 a message because there's some reason, and then he added him, and that account got deleted, but he still kept his badge for adding him. Or or someone accidentally clicked add recycled beards and he clicked yes. So, yeah. But I'm so sorry for erasing that video. Doc. He's gonna get so mad at me. The video got erased by my little brother. I'm making this up. Hopefully he doesn't watch this video. But I recorded something else because I was trying to give someone a jammogram and it popped up with a gift. And it said, "Thanks for playing with me." That's my cat, if you can hear her. I almost sent that janogram to your friend, but instead And guys, even if that did ever happen to me again, and I was sending like a jammogram to like Julian 2 or something, guys, I would totally reload. Because, you know, if I sent that jammogram, it might have taken like my first item that I have, you know? Or sent her the first item that I have, or the best item, and the most used item that I use, which is my top hat. So, yeah. Well, thanks for watching, and this was a creepy experience, and if I can make that the thumbnail, that will probably be the thumbnail. Thanks for watching, and this is Wolfie67226. Hope you enjoyed. I know this is a weird way to end, because I never end like this, but thanks for watching, and I will see you later, my little wolf pups. You should have seen my dog's ears when I did that.